You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right here, Bitcoin is at 40.6k level, and yesterday we see this rejection to the upside on the 1-day chart. On the 4-hour chart here, I was talking about the market going back down a little bit. Market did, and I said market is going to go back up, and if you see market go back up and pause within this area, we're going to see the market come back right down. Market goes straight to the upside and creates a new high. And right now on the ETH 1-day chart, the same thing. Good rejection to the upside. This is a bullish engulfing pattern. And on the 4-hour chart on ETH, you see this massive move to the upside that creates a new high above this area. I also talked about this yesterday in my previous video. So right now, what are we expecting in the market as the Bitcoin dominance is at this very area of resistance in respect to ETH and BTC on the immediate short term and also on the long term? All of these and more into this video. Watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Right here on the BTCUSDT 1-day chart, we see this very strong rejection from this area. Market creates a new low, lower than the previous low at this area and at this very point, and market is at 40.6k level right now. And what this means is there is a very massive buy pressure from this area to where the market is right now, and what that also implies is that bulls are very strong in the market within this area because of this very strong support level, and from here market moves straight to the upside. Not only that, if you look at this chart very well, there is a potential divergence coming into the market right now. If you look at it from here to this area, and also on the MACD, if you draw from here to this very point. Now this is a potential divergence. It has not been confirmed yet. It is only confirmed when we begin to see the histogram start formation on the positive side of the MACD, number one, and secondly, if we see a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line, that is the blue line and the red line right here. Once that is confirmed, then this divergence is already confirmed, and that also means that market is going to move straight to the upside because this is a bullish divergence. So this is what I am paying attention to right now moving forward on BTCUSDT 1-day chart. 4-hour chart right here. Yesterday I talked about this potential move. Market was around this area, and I said market is going to go further to the downside, and we're going to see something that look like this. And once you see a retracement, then market is going to go back right down. If you see the market move straight to the upside and create a new high than the previous high, if you watched that video yesterday, then don't take a short position. Now exact same thing happened right here, because in trading you must define what you want to see in the market so that when you see that, you take appropriate action. So right now market have created a new higher than the previous high around this area, and what that means is the bulls are very strong in the market. Not only that, what happened around this area, if you look at the MACD right here, is a divergence. So market diverge around this area, and this is a bullish divergence, and after this divergence we see the market move straight to the upside. Now this was confirmed when we begin to see the MACD start formation on the positive side. That is what I am expecting as well on the 1-day chart. So after this, market begin to move to the upside. So right now, what am I expecting in the market in the next coming days? What I am looking out for is either the market consolidate within this area before we see the next push to the upside, or we see the market come back down a little bit to this level of resistance to turn support at this area before we see the market move up again. And your target is this level of 42,500 as market begin to move from this area, or we see a breakout with a bullish close that close above every other candle within this area. That will also give the markets enough strength to move to the upside. This is what I am paying attention to on the immediate short term on BTCUSDT 4-hour chart. ETHUSDT 1-day chart, the same divergence appear right here on the 1-day chart after this rejection to the upside. And right now, if you look at it, it is not confirmed yet because this is a bullish divergence. It will only be confirmed when we see the histogram on the MACD start formation on the positive side of the MACD. Not only that, and we want to see the MACD line and the signal line cross over each other and begin to move to the upside. Once we see that, then this divergence is confirmed, and once that happens, we're going to see Ethereum go straight up to the upside with the next impulsive move, and also that is going to happen on BTC as well, as I've talked about it. So this is what I am paying attention to right now moving forward on the ETHUSDT 1-day chart. On the 4-hour chart right here, yesterday I talked about the same thing on ETH. Market should move a little bit to the downside. Market did, and then I want to see the market go up a little bit, and then we see continuation. But we did not see any bearish candle that signify market is going to pause before the market come back right down. We see the market move straight to the upside and create a new high, higher than the previous high around this area, and that means that the bulls are very, very strong in the market and they are willing to move the market to the upside. If you look at this chart very well, there is also a divergence that make the market to move straight to the upside yesterday from this area. So if you draw this from this line to this very area, you see a bullish divergence. This prompt the market to move straight to the upside after the histogram start formation on the positive side of the MACD around this area. What I am expecting right now moving forward on ETH on the immediate short term is the market consolidate within this area, or we see the market come back down a little bit in form of a retracement before we see the market ride up again with the next impulse. And your first target if you enter the market at the end of retracement is this very area right at this point of $3,100 level. So this is what I am paying attention to on BTC and ETH on the immediate short term. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance right here, we are already at this very level of strong resistance. And one thing you have to understand is that if we begin to see the market go back right down, we are going to see the market ETH is going to decline to the downside, and also BTC is going to go back down to the downside. If we see a breakout on this resistance and market begin to move straight to the upside, we're going to see a massive pump on Bitcoin. This is what you should be paying attention to right now on the Bitcoin dominance. What do you think about the market right now, especially on the 1-day chart? Do you think we're going to see the market ride up, or we're going to see the market go back right down? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you receive updates like this every single day. If you've not enrolled for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency course and mentorship program and learn how to do simple technical analysis and no market prediction, check the description of this video right now and you see a contact, and reach out to us immediately and get properly trained and mentored. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.